What's up, YouTube? Here we are back again at the channel, all right? And today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be picking up my Mustang, all right? So for those of you that are new to the channel and do not know that I have a Mustang, I do have a Vortec supercharged 900 horsepower package from Beefcake Racing Mustang, all right? So Mustang 2019. And today I am picking it up from getting wrapped. I am here at the wrap shop. Y'all see wrap cars. And I am here to pick it up. I just had it wrapped. I'm not gonna tell you the color. Of course, we're finna get to that in like, I don't know, like 2 minutes maybe. But yeah, so I'm at Top Car Wraps and out here in Swanee. So I'm about to pick up my whip. So yeah, I guess let's walk in. But maybe I can show y'all a couple other cars before we walk right in and check out mine. So let's check them out. We got a BRZ. I just did a cold start on my car, so I don't know if y'all can hear it. We got a nasty satin yellow Hellcat. And my car is actually about to be coming out. I actually hear it. Like, it's really, really loud. So, half and half. And this is nasty right here, man. It's just some of the work that they do, man. Their work is pretty crazy. But yeah, man, y'all make sure to check them out, man. Top Car Wraps in Swanee, Georgia. But yeah, so we about to bring my car out. Well, they about to bring my car out. I hear it already. Whoa. Oh my God.
Hey, that's pretty good. Hey, that's pretty good.
When Costello heard that, he was like, okay.
You like it? Yeah, I like it. Oh. Yeah, that's crazy. Dang, that's crazy. 2019 Mustang GT, all wrapped in satin black. I think it's 3M, so 3M, satin black, gloss features, you know what I'm saying, all the little gloss accents, gloss tail, gloss side scoops, I say side scoops, but rear side skirts are gloss black. Of course, you know, the wheels are silver and gloss black. My front wheels are, of course, Rohannes, split 5 stars, gloss black. The brakes are gonna be bare brakes, and I think it looks crazy good too with the Euros being all white, the white sticker still. And just satin black, man. I know everybody was, you know what I'm saying, hoping I was going color, but all right. So the bumper on the front is still off. They're saying that, like I said, I don't know. Well, I don't think I told y'all, but basically they told me when I went to go get my side skirt, because man, I've been missing for a minute. But basically, I hit a tire and it tore off my side skirt, and the car was trashed. So I went to go get 2 new side skirts. And basically, when I went to go put those on and paint them, because I had to paint them, otherwise the wrap would not stick to the car. Basically, they told me that maybe the car had been in a wreck. And I'm like, I haven't had my car in like a year. So who the heck wrecked my car? You feel me? That was my initial reaction, like who wrecked my car and whatnot. So I was a little nervous about that. I'm still kind of nervous about that because I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm gonna have to turn up, man. That's why I done wrecked my car, man. So they were saying that it was damage in the front. That's why my bumper won't fit flush anymore. But now that it's all satin black, it's kind of hard to notice it. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm questioning, like, is it even worth fixing? You feel what I'm saying? So I think I might just leave it like this. It's not bad. And if any of you, you know what I'm saying, ever think about buying the 2019 Mustang, just know that this is the best car to buy. You know what I'm saying? And of course, I'll have that fixed if I ever do sell it. But right now, with just me having it, it's not really bothering me much. And it looks pretty sick. So this is the color I wanted. This is the Dark Knight, finally. All right, so now I finally have both cars back. The Hellcat has kind of always, you know what I'm saying, been pretty reliable. But I recently did a big burnout, so I need to make sure my suspension isn't screwed. You feel me? And then I kind of tore the back of the flare, the inner wheel flare in the back of the Hellcat. So I might need a new one of those. I just recently replaced them on my Mustang, so I don't know. I feel like that's just a thing for low cars, bad cars. You know what I'm saying? Gotta know your suspension, stuff like that. So, but yeah, we finally have them both drivable. You know what I'm saying? And they look good. It's just a couple things I gotta fix. Like the Mustang, my wheel has too much camber, so I gotta go to Danny Built. We're gonna fix that. It shouldn't take long, like 1 hour, 2 hours. So we'll fix that. And then, I might fix the flare, take off the wheel, and just throw that on. Maybe do a YouTube on that. But other than that, I think we might be able to take both cars to Caffeine and Octane Sunday. So, you know what I'm saying? If y'all are there, you know what I'm saying? Check out the Dark Knight Garage. You know what I'm saying? It's looking pretty crazy. You know what I'm saying? I just got to clean both cars up. That car is pretty clean, but I want it you know what I'm saying, perfect. I need to clean the tires and stuff because I can't really put tire shine on them just because, you know, it'll stain the wrap and stuff like that. So I can't really make the tires look all clean and shiny. But I'm going to try to at least clean them, clean the dirt off of them, make them look, you know what I'm saying, somewhat decent. So I think the next thing is just be to wash them. Wash them both, green and black. And it's going to conclude the episode. So now y'all see. Satin black Mustang, gloss lime green Hellcat Charger, Dark Knight Garage. Until next time.